first couple times I actually made laundry in the new washer, I was really like, this is clean. This looks actually cleaner than it ever did before. I did like the design of the speed queen because it's simple, it's elegant, no fluff that doesn't need to really be there. I hear a little bit of like the water splashing as the agitator's working, but that's about it. Once I close the door, you really don't hear anything. So I do like that. The technical specifications usually say that it's built to last 10,000 loads, or that's gonna last me till the end of my life. That's what I want. I go to the big stores, but I did enjoy purchasing from a locally owned business. The machine is American made. I became citizen about 3 years ago. And so, hey, you're American, let's use American product. When the laundry room door is open, truth is usually when I go to the refrigerator and open it to go for some food or something, I usually kind of glance over at the laundry room just to make sure the Speed Queen didn't go anywhere. It's still there, it's still pretty. It's my new BFF.